Number 15. Let's see if the umbrella fits. A suitcase measures 14 inches long and 18 inches wide. Can Sabrina fit her 30-inch umbrella in the suitcase? Explain and show your work. Include a picture. So let's draw a picture here. "24 inches. This is 18 inches. And let's see how well I can draw an umbrella over here. Probably not the best. We've got an umbrella. Let's do the math. Let's see if we can lay it diagonally in here and make it fit. So that's 18 inches squared plus 24 inches squared equals c squared. Well, we know 18 squared is 324 plus 24 squared, 576 equals c squared. Let's add those together. So plus 324. It is exactly 900. Wow. 900 equals c squared. So we'll take the square root, and this is going to fit. C equals 30 inches. So I can actually draw this umbrella in here, fitting. That's pretty cool. Just to the edge of this. Just barely fits. Yes. Yes.